So in March of 2021, the much anticipated announcement of Cisco Plus fell, with us. We've been working with Cisco for quite some time. We're a very, very large strategic partner of theirs. What Cisco did with that announcement was make a commitment to the as-a-service model using Cisco Plus. Cisco Plus is a broad brand. As Chuck Robbins, their CEO, stated, this is a strategy that is way beyond just compute, et cetera. It's going to evolve every product in our portfolio. So it's a major statement. In that announcement, they announced 2 partners in the U.S., and one is us, and we're on their webpage, and we work, very closely in rolling that out with them. And so it's a very welcome addition to our as-a-service. So there's actually 3 components that Cisco said in their announcement that were really newsworthy. 1, we're in the as-a-service, and this is just where we're starting, hybrid cloud in the service. 2, it will be delivered by partners. So what Cisco is essentially saying is that we can't do it all by ourselves. We need our partners to combine it with storage and cloud and build the broader solution. And the 3rd was we expect our partners to be the ones that bring in the storage and the hybrid compute and even integrate it with our service catalog to provide a broader solution. So, those are just recognition that we have a service catalog, we have those relationships, and we have the full component, and we're rolling Cisco Plus into that.